Wow. This is the zoo I get to take care of, starting today. Oh, wow. But I have to make the animal sounds myself. That's a little weird. But it does sound kind of fun. That's right. Okay. Adopt. A duck. Alright, don't worry guys, we got this.
Quack. Quack.
Okay, we like that. The duck.
Quack. Quack. Quack.
Alright, we're putting him,
Quack.
on this rock. Hello.
Quack.
Why is it directional?
Quack.
Why is it directional?
Quack.
Okay, we can get, what is this? A sheep. Okay. You know, I got this. Okay. You know, that's fine. Bah.
Quack. Quack.
What's next? What's this? Oh, the goat scream, right? What was that? Oh, okay, that's good.
Quack.
Oh my days. Alright, what's next? What's this? A fox?
Ruff. Ruff.
That's good, right? Yeah, that's good.
Ruff.
Penguin! I genuinely do not know what a penguin sounds like. What does a penguin sound like? Brr, ah, brr, ah. Brr, ah, brr, ah. You know, good enough. Whoa. Brr, ah, brr. You're gonna stay some. I'm ashamed of this. You're gonna stay all the way over here. Bye bye. Bye. I'm ashamed of that. Alright, what's next? A walrus? Ooh. Ooh. Good enough. Ooh. Oh my days. What's this? A polar bear? I don't know, man. I don't know, man. That was not my best attempt. You know what? That's fine. Hey, what's this? A reindeer. That's good, right? I'm not sure how they sound. That's good, right? That's good, right? I think I'm on the wrong animal here, but I think that's it. I think that's it. Oh yeah.
Quack.
Okay, what do we have here? Oh, but they can just talk, right? Hey you, wanna try some drugs? Yeah, if I had a parrot, it would be like that. It's good. Hey you, wanna try some drugs? Yeah man, what you got? What you got, bro? Hey you, wanna try some drugs? Yeah man, what you got, bro? Hey you, wanna try some drugs? Yeah man, what you got, bro? Hey you, wanna try some drugs? Man, shut up, you don't even have any. Alright, what's next? A flamingo. Good enough, good enough. Okay, what's next? An owl. Hoot, hoot. Hoot, hoot. Yeah, good enough, good enough. Very good. What's this? Eagle. An eagle. Was that good? Good enough. Good enough.
You want to try some?
Very good. Very good. Okay. What's this? Oh no. Maybe. I'm gonna say that's good enough. I don't have much horse behind my voice, so. If I was a lion, I would be hunting the duck.
Quack.
Very good.
Well,
Oh my days. What is this?
well,
Can I go up here, man?
well.
Alright, what do we got here? A rhino. I think that's good. I think that's good. An elephant? No, that sucks. What am I doing? Yeah, okay, that's my elephant. That's how my elephant sounds.
Well,
There we go. Oh, a hippo. Okay, that's it. Oh my days.
well,
Alright, we gotta wait for some money. We can get our next animal now. What do we have? A bear. A bear. Oh, this game is asking a lot of me. I don't know, man. I think that's fine. Wouldn't you say? I think that's fine. Okay, what do we have next? Okay, still I need some more money. There we go! What is this? A tiger? You know what? That's not that bad. Why did it make me hear that again? Why did it make me hear that again? Oh. Oy.
well,
Alright, can I get the next one now? Yes, I can. A gorilla? Yeah, that's fine. What's next? 6,000. Okay, we'll save up a bit for that. I think I'm the least proud of the penguin and the polar bear, maybe. Well, let's see what we got next. A panda! I have the panda! No shot. Yeah, that's good. That's good. 6,700. There we go. A sloth. Yeah. Yeah. Good enough. Fits the vibe. Yeah. What do we have next? 7,500. There we go. Boom. A frog. How does one do a croak?
quack, 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 quack.
Alright, let's see how it turned out. I have no idea how to make this sound. Alright, I think that sounds good. Yeah. Good. I have no idea. Very good. Oh, and we have enough for this one. A dog. Arf, 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 arf. Yeah, good enough. Arf, 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 arf.
Well,
Yeah, behind the sheep. Arf. The next one is 10,000. Okay, a lot of waiting for these next ones. Alright, as we got 10,000, we can now get this one. A cat. Mm. Good enough. What's the next one? 11,600. 11,600. Let's go. A bunny. Bunny. They don't really make noises, do they? No, they do. Like. Am I wrong? I'll be right back. I'm gonna get a carrot. Alright, I have a carrot. Let's actually make a rabbit noise now. Yeah. Nice. It's good. Carrot is nice. Okay, we got the next one. 14,000 out. Oh my days, man. Turtle. That is actually what a turtle sounds like. Look it up, I'm not joking. Good. Okay, what's next? 16,000. Carrot is nice. It is a horse with sunglasses. Yeah. Yeah. I think that's good. I think that is very good. It's also very nice, very good. And next we have that. And we have 18,000. It's a cow. Oh, not a cow, it's a milk cow. Moo. Milk. I think that is what a milk cow would sound like, yeah? Let's get the windy hill. Arf, arf. Let's get this guy. Arf. Oh. Is it producing money faster?
well,
Yeah? Yes. Oh yeah, I'm gonna real quick just gather all of them up here. Okay, I have brought every single animal up there, and it took me about 10 minutes, cause the walking is so slow. But I now have 90,000, which I think is enough for the... yeah, it is enough for the last two. It is. So I will buy these, put them up there, and then we will see how all of them sound together. A hamster.
no,
Yeah, I think that's good. I think that's good. Oh wait, it seems like I forgot one. Okay, we are on the last animal, last one, and I think that looks like a snail. And it is a snail. What do you know? Do they even make noises? Okay, I know what to do. Yeah, sounds like a snail to me. Okay. Let's bring this little guy with the others. And we are about to hear how they all sound as well. A little bit too loud for my taste. Now, there is another area like this. It also makes them sound different. So, I will real quick buy this area and put every single animal there too, so we can have that as well. I'll see you in like 10 minutes, guess that's on the other side of the map. Alright. Okay, so that took me about 15 minutes, but we have every single animal down here. Yeah, not very pleasant, now was it? But I think that is where I'm gonna end this. We have every single animal and every location. And if there was another one, I don't think I would have bothered spending another 15 minutes doing that. So, with that, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll catch you later. Bye bye. Oh, and thanks for watching.